the G-Shock GM2100CB-3A, a watch I've been wearing for a little over a month now, and one of my first G-Shock watches ever since I was little. G-Shock is iconically known for their rugged, functional-driven watches encased usually in a clear resin-finished enclosure. The GM2100 series takes a new, refreshing take on their brand, and is often labeled as the Casio, a play on word derived from Audemars Piguet's Royal Oak and Casio, G-Shock's parent brand. This new, utilitarian series of G-Shock 2100 watches feature a stainless steel watch enclosure with a cloth strap. This watch changes all of my past hesitations of wearing a G-Shock watch and excels in every single way for its category and price range. At first glance, I noticed the 49.3 by 44.4mm lug-to-lug outer casing, which showcased a much more improved proportion, and a thin 11.8mm thickness. I found the dark forest green color of the cloth band pair well with the dark metallic finish of the stainless steel watch face. All in all, I think Casio knocked it out of the park with this iteration. The one thing I would like to note about this particular color from the 2100 series is that the digital screen might be challenging to see in daylight, due to it being a black color. Fortunately, it does come in two other colorways. Using it every day for work and leisure has made me appreciate casual watches again. The overall watch feels comfortable on my wrist and exceptionally lightweight. When it comes to function, in true G-Shock fashion, there are a myriad of features like being able to set up 5 different alarms, timer and stopwatch, change up to 31 different time zones, adjust daylight savings, changing the beep settings, backlight, date and time, and much more. In this video, we'll cover just the basics of setting up the watch. So right now, I'm currently in Los Angeles time, but let's say I wanted to change the time to New York City. First, press and hold down on the adjust button on the top left for a few seconds until you see the word set flashing, and the watch hands move to reveal the bottom right digital screen. Scroll through the different city abbreviations using the light and start buttons as up and down keys. Press the adjust button to set the time zone, and the watch hands should begin to adjust to the new time. To go into the mode menu, hold down the adjust button again until you see the word set. Press the mode button on the bottom left of the watch face. From there, you can change to a 24-hour or 12-hour display, as well as date, time, year, light settings, and beep on and off mode. You can also change the time zone by holding down the adjust button as a starting point. For alarm, stopwatch, and world time mode, just press the mode button to scroll through the different menu options. If you prefer to have the digital display to show a secondary time zone, let's say Bangkok, then you can scroll through the mode menu until you find WT, which stands for World Time Mode. Scroll through the different country abbreviations and press the adjust button. Your secondary time zone should now display on the digital display. In my month or so of using the G-Shock GM2100, the durability has been excellent. The watch has been remarkable as an everyday watch with an understated design that can fit into any setting. And this brings me to my next point. I think G-Shock really got this right in terms of making a watch for anyone from anywhere. Whether that be a watch enthusiast just starting out, a hobbyist looking to modify watches without breaking the bank, or a seasoned watch collector just looking for something lightweight and casual to wear every day, day in and day out without any burden. If you're looking to pick one up, the GM2100CB-3A, along with the rest of the 2100 series watches, are available now on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. If you have any comments or questions, or suggestions on products to review for the future, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.